Hello, you beautiful lovies. How are you tonight? I'm fantastic, and I'm here to experiment. This is going to be a straight up, easy peasy, lemon squeezy type of experiment. I have in the cup some titanium white mixed with some glue, some gloss varnish, some water, and that's it. Trying to think what else. And what we are going to do is we are going to put 4 drops of silicone in our white. This is a new silicone I found at Blick. Lucky me, I have a store 5 minutes away from my house. So, needless to say, I will be, in my next video, decorating a cardboard box that I will be living in if I don't stay out of there. So I'm going to mix my silicone, 4 drops, into my white. I'm going to pour it on my canvas. Yes, I'm pouring a drink container from fast food restaurant. Okay. Let me get a little sticky here. Oh, like, where is that black coming from? And it is coming from my fingers. To the right of me here is another video I just did, experiment, which you will be seeing probably after this one. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. If you find me quiet tonight, it is because I have nowhere to pour. My room has turned into an incubator for resin paintings from my auction. And I literally am standing in a 3-foot by 3-foot space with the tripod in front of me because I had to make a video. I am getting depressed because I can't make a video. I had a lot of paintings that I had to coat and get out to their new owners. So, therefore, I needed all the room for that because I sold 40 out of 44 paintings. I'm so grateful and humbled, and oh my God, I did not expect that to happen. I didn't think anybody was going to show up. And if somebody showed up, I didn't think that I'd sell more than 2 or 3 paintings. 100 people were watching at one point, and I sold all those paintings. I could not believe it. I have to say thank you again to you. Oh my God, I'm just like shell-shocked, to be honest. Super grateful, though, I'll tell you that. And now I can continue on this journey because it is expensive, guys. You know, I would not be doing half as much art if it weren't for this channel. But, again, it does help me, too. It helps me to try to help people. And I think that art brings us all together. I've made so many good friends. Yes, I see I have paint all over the corner there for my fingers, but that's okay. This is an experiment. So here's my experiment. Are you ready? I'm going to take paint, fluid acrylic paint, I'm going to pour it onto that white straight out of the bottle, not mixed with anything. And I'm going to blow it over that white, and we're going to see what happens. Will I put the final nail in my coffin when I blow it all over the walls and have an extremely mad husband chasing me around the house? Let's see. Let's go this way this time. I didn't get the plastic off of this good. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. I got it all over my fingers. You know, I just got my hands clean too because I haven't been able to art for days. And I went and bought myself nail polish. Well, here we are again. So that's my nail polish, I guess. Forgot to put the gloves on. Now this paint's going to be really thick, and it's been sitting on a store shelf. You can see it's not mixed very well, but there was no room in the bottle to mix it. So on top of that, I'm going to add some Vallejo Quinacridone Crimson. I'm a pro at saying that word now. Bada bing. Next up, some Pyroli Red, if that's what we're calling it. I don't know why it cracks me up every time I say it. It is Pyroli, right? I'm going to be told it's Pyrol. I already know it. Put a little bit of that there. Yep. Why not, I say? Then I got some magenta. Quinacridone magenta from Golden. Let's open up this bottle. These are all brand new. I just got them. That's why it's good to have an auction, because now I can buy some supplies. I'm going to put a little dab of that. Well, that's very similar to the other crimson. Actually, it's identical. Then, how's about a little bit of ultramarine blue? Why not? I'll be very curious to see how this cooperates without any type of pouring medium or Floetrol or anything like that. I'm sure somebody has done. I think maybe Mixed Media Girl did this once before. I don't know, but I know that's enough paint. I kind of need a gold or something in there, though. Let me see if I can squeeze my fat butt in here and grab a gold. Oh my God. Oh. No. Aha, I found one, guys. I got it. I got a copper. That'll work. That will work. Sorry about the shaking. Oh my God. I cannot wait to get back to normal. All right, is that? Nope. All right, so here's some beauteous iridescent copper fine. And now we are ready. Cross your fingers and toes. Here we go. I'm just going to literally blow them up into the color. Turn down your volume. Blow dryer alert. Let's see what happens. Now we got to heat the paint for the silicone to rise. And that's where the cells come in. You see that? Now the paint is a little bit thicker over here. Who knows, we may be going through all that trouble for no reason at all. I have a little can of air here. This is my air gun. Oh, I really need an air gun. Hey, it does the trick. I'd rather buy a gallon of resin than a gun anyway. I know somebody's going to say, I liked it better before you did that. Remember, we're testing. All right. Blow dryer alert. So I'm glad I did that because now look. And these are the things you need to do. Look at, see the paint breaking up because it's so thick. So yeah, it's safe to say that that does not work. Let's swipe it, shall we? And you see it really doesn't even sell. Holy fugly on a stick. You know, there are famous artists out there that will make a painting like this and it'll sell for like $1 million. They call it like a pathway to your future or something crazy. And oh yeah, I see that. I see that for sure. Let's see if we could turn it into something. Why not? Yeah, it's very, very, very thick, the paint. All right, let me torch it for the hell of it and see what happens. Whoa, wow. Look at all those cells jumping out at you. You know something? This would not make a half bad background. Holy cow. I did not expect that to happen. That is crazy, my friends. Absolutely crazy. Just gonna fix up these sides here. Why not, right? That could definitely be a background for something. Even some resin on top. It's all about the abstract, baby. All right, one more side here. I'm going to let you guys go. This I should give you a close up of this monstrosity. Sorry about my arm. I should be back to normal filming, that is, in a day or two. Me going back to normal, that will never happen. Oh, I'm just a crazy chick and you gotta learn to deal with me. Love me or hate me, I know how to have a good time. I love my lovers and I love my haters. Bring it all on. Yeah, this is crazy. Whenever you want cells, just swipe. You know, I'm going to save this painting and we're going to make something special out of this one as soon as I could clean the 10 gallons of silicone off of it. All right, here we are. I'm telling you, I am not that mad at this painting. I have another painting very similar to this that sold at the auction. And I really, really think we could do something with that. So we shall see. I want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. I want to do a shout out to my friend Tish at Naptime Creations. I'm going to link her channel below. Go check her out and tell her I sent you. And as always, my friends, happy pouring.